So, good evening, sir. Pasensya kay sir kay na late jud ko uli sir gikan pa ko pa-check kay Ma'am Laika. So, ang katong na-miss na ko nga reporting, sir, is the origin, distribution, and morphology of sugar palm. Uh, so, sugar palm is scientifically known as Arenga pinnata, commonly called the sugar palm. A tropical palm tree widely grown in Southeast Asia, multi-purpose plant, which is ang iyahang ano is sap, tapos gamit po niyang fruit and fibers, and wood are useful also. Tapos it is a tall palm tree with slender trunk, feathery green fronds, and clusters of round fruits. Produces clusters of fruits. However, raw fruits contain a irritating substance. So katul jud kay niyang duga niya, sir, or iyang tagok. And tall tree with cultivated for sugar production and local handcrafts, providing income for our local farmers here sa sa region, sir. Origin, native to Southeast Asia, especially Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Naturally grown in tropical forests and hilly areas, widely distributed across countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, and Thailand. It cultivated for centuries as an important source of our palm sugar and traditional products. Next, distribution. Tropical tree native to Southeast and North Asia, grown in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Philippines, and also Thailand and India. It thrives in humid climates, and it is mainly used for palm sugar, beverages, and vinegar. In 2014, followed by Thailand, Indonesia leads production with 96,000 tons, followed by Thailand, 46,000 tons, and the Philippines, natabunan siya. Okay. In the Philippines is 43,000. Others, guys,